changing your diet could improve your health, help the environment, and give you more energy. That's the power of vegan food. It's not just about eliminating animal products, it's about embracing a vibrant, plant based lifestyle that can transform your life. Today, we're diving into the nutritional benefits of vegan food and how to make it a sustainable habit. So, what is vegan food? It's all about plant based meals that exclude all animal products. Think fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts, seeds, and those delicious plant based alternatives like tofu, almond milk, and even vegan cheese. And let me tell you, vegan food can be both nutritious and incredibly tasty, offering a wide variety of meal options that can satisfy any palate. Now, let's talk about the benefits. First, health. Vegan diets are nutrient rich, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support overall well being. They're low in saturated fats and cholesterol, which means a reduced risk of heart disease. Plus, they can help with weight management, promoting weight loss while keeping you feeling full. The high fiber content aids digestion and helps prevent chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes and certain cancers. But it's not just about personal health. Vegan diets have a smaller environmental footprint, reducing demand for animal agriculture and helping lower carbon emissions. If you're wondering how to make vegan food a habit, start slowly. Introduce one plant based meal a day or try meatless Mondays. Planning your meals is crucial, ensuring they're balanced and nutritious. Stock up on staples like beans, lentils, and whole grains for easy meal prep. Find inspiration in vegan recipes and keep meals exciting. Consistency is key. Set small, achievable goals and gradually expand your plant based choices. Of course, challenges will arise. You might encounter cravings for animal products or struggle when dining out. But don't let that discourage you. Use vegan resources, keep plant based snacks handy, and communicate with restaurants about your options. I encourage you to incorporate more vegan meals into your diet for just a week and see how you feel. There are so many resources available, from recipe books to influencers and apps to help you along the way. Remember, eating plant based isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that nurtures your body, mind, and the planet. Thank you for watching this video.